Well, hello trendsetters. It's been a while, hasn't it, since I made one of these stupid videos. You know, I thought all you need to do is make a video and bam, fame, fortune, popularity, you're getting paid, stardom. There's probably somebody watching me across the way. They're probably gonna call the cops on me. It takes a lot of effort to make these videos. Not so much right now. I'm sitting in a car. The light is fading. I thought maybe making people laugh, have a few guests. The money would be just pouring in from YouTube. Things didn't really go as planned, but I've retooled like Madonna out of the ashes without the plastic surgery. I'm back. I've made a list of all the things I need to do to make my channel more successful. My light is gone. I look like a tramp. I'm gonna go home. I got this mic here. Special sauce, pickles, onions, cheese, pickles. Whopper cheese! I don't really think these things through. If only I had some sort of product I could be a shill for. A shill, two shill. You know, there was that donut thing. I think there would have been a lot of legal issues there. Yeah. What am I gonna do? It's good. It's your boy Fotoprospector here. I have a new obsession. You know, I'm gonna be honest with you. I was shook when I had so many DMs asking about this. It's literally the best life hack. Literally. Let's hop into it. When I'm out prospecting for photos all day, I can get ballistically hungry. That's when I reach for the original Cream Whiz. It's a game changer. Literally. Cream Whiz just isn't for your sandwiches. No. Dip your chips, blast it in your coffee, or jam it in your yap straight from the jar. Cream Whiz. It's good.